Hi, and welcome back to our eighth week of the 52-week Blender Challenge. This time we're gonna do like a big lantern. Um, I think it's like a Japanese lantern for ceremonies. I saw it in manga, so I thought I'd try to recreate it here. But yeah, let's get started. So Shift A, mesh. We're gonna do a cylinder, and we're gonna just want 6 sides for the vertices. All right. Press 1. Oh, where'd it go? All right, there we are. Go to X-ray mode, then we do edit mode. S, bring it a little bigger, a little smaller. Face mode 3. Let's go back. Okay. S. Oh, sorry. ES. Like that. We don't want too thick. 1. EG. GC. Right there is about good. I don't know why that happened. S. Good overall. Okay, nice. Press 1. Then tab. Let's bring this up. GC. Right about here is a good size. Okay. Shift A. Let's make the pull part cylinder, and this one we want 12 sides, just so it's a little more rounder. All right, this is good. S, C, GC. Make sure it doesn't go past that. Okay, and let's make this GC bigger like this. Okay. Let's add a little cube. This will be like the bottom parts that'll hold things together. Make this smaller. All right. That's about where we want things. Okay, and let's go to edit mode. We're gonna make this a little bigger. So E, like this. Down, like this. And that's it. Okay, so there's 2 ways to have the stands like go around in 360. I'm going to show you both ways. Yeah. So first way is Shift D, RC 90. Oh, sorry. Let's eliminate that and let's go to Object. Actually, no, Control A, all transforms. All right, so it'll rotate it around this. So then Shift D, RC 90, and then we just keep doing this over and over again. Shift D, RC 90, and then we have everything around here. But we want to do it the faster way, so Shift A, we're going to add an empty arrows, all right? Then select the object you want to rotate. We're going to add an array to it. Take everything off. We're going to do object offset, and we're going to do how many we want, so 4. Then we're going to select the empty here, or the axis. And so how it works is that, let's say there's 360 degrees in the circle, right? And we want 4 objects. So when we select our axis, we're going to do RC 90, and so that splits 360 into by 90, which is 4, and that's what we get. So pretty easy and simple, and that's pretty much it. All right. I think in the manga I saw that they had like the what's it called? Yeah, okay, we can do this again for another practice. All right, so Shift A, we're gonna add a cylinder here. So what they had is like this edges were a little rounder, like they had like tubing. I think it was just a, what's it called? At the way it's maybe a traditional way it's built or something. S, that's fine. Like, that's good. Okay. SC, like that, right about this. Then S, just a little bit. Actually, no, let's make it like that. Okay. Then SC. Okay. Like that. R. Like that. Let's get it here. Try to line it up as best you can. All right. So then we're going to move it along. Press 3. We're going to move it here. Like that. Or like this. Cool. So it's right in there. All right. Then we're going to add S. Press 1. SC. Shrink it down. SC. Shrinking it up just a little bit. Okay. That looks good. Now, Control A and all transforms, and it's going to go rotate on this. And then we're going to do the same thing we did before for the axis, for the empty. So select this object, add an array modifier, and then go to object offset, and then do the empty. Sorry, we gotta go in here. That. Empty. Sorry, where's that cylinder? All right, right here. We're gonna do a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. So go back to the empty, and then RC. Then try to line it up so it's each one here, but that's not working, and it doesn't look like it's gonna work normally. So bad example, but at least you know that if everything here was geometrically consistent, or divided into 5 parts for 360, then that would work, but unfortunately it doesn't work. But yeah, give it a try and hope that helps. Until next time.